And the invertebrates that have no bones. All the invertebrates are oviparous, and we classify them in 6 big groups: sponges, jellyfish, corals, worms, mollusks, echinoderms, and arthropods. Sponges are aquatic animals that are sac-shaped, and their body is full of pores. It is very easy to remember this group because many times we use them in the shower for our personal hygiene. Yes, many of the sponges we use in the shower are invertebrate animals. The jellyfish are invertebrate animals that live in the ocean. Their bodies are gelatinous and have tentacles. The truth is that when they appear in the beach, it is very annoying because their tentacles have small venomous stingers that produce very unpleasant bites. Corals are tiny marine animals that produce limestone residue, which give rise to beautiful shapes. This animal? Exactly. It's a worm. Worms are soft and long invertebrate animals that move by dragging their body in the ground because they have no feet. They can be aquatic or terrestrial. There are some worms that can be harmful, and that is why we must be careful with them. Can you see the snail? Well, snails form part of the mollusk group. Mollusks have a soft body without legs and can also be aquatic or terrestrial. Some, like the snail, use clam and muscles protect the body with shells. But there are other mollusks that don't have a shell to protect themselves, like slugs or octopuses. The echinoderms are exclusively aquatic animals. Their bodies have calcareous plates that form a shell. Some echinoderms have a loose shape and are covered in spikes that they use to defend themselves, like sea urchins. Others are star-shaped and are of course called starfish.
Okay, so Ihan, so invertebrate animals are animals those lack backbone, right? Have no legs, no arms. Yeah. Move on, just their body creeping on the floor, right?
Yes.
So backbone animals are called invertebrate. And the animals which have backbones are called
Vertebrate.
vertebrate. Yes, very good. Okay. That's very simple, right?
Yes.
Okay, now I'm going to show you some example of vertebrate, right? So these are vertebrate.
GoDaddy has the perfect hosting plan for any website. Every plan comes with a 99 point. Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Learning. Today we're going to look at vertebrate animals. As you know, we can classify animals in various ways, depending on the characteristics we look at. Today, we're going to look at some animals by the internal structure of their bodies. According to this feature, we can classify them into vertebrate animals, which have an internal skeleton, that means bones, and invertebrate animals, like this worm, which has no backbone, in fact, no bones at all.
Okay, so invertebrate, no bones at all. And vertebrate, bones inside, right? Skeleton, backbone, and bones, right? Is it clear to you?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
very good, very good. Okay, let's proceed on with our next lesson, which is, what is that?
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, sure.
Do we show art in the arts class?
Yes. You will learn and you will given some task in arts class. Don't worry. That's on Thursday, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you tired or feeling good? All right now?
Yes, all right.
Okay. So, invertebrate and vertebrate. Explain the necessity of classification of the living world, right? So that's the core question of this chapter. Important necessity of classification of living world, right? Living world, animal and
Yes.
plant, right? Two categories.
Yes, sir.
And the other is plants. You can see various types of animals, small and large, around you. Try yourself to answer the questions below from the knowledge you have acquired in class 6. Do all the animals you see look alike? No. They are different, right?
No.
In features, in
Yeah.
characteristics, right? Do all of
Yes.
them have vertebral column? No.
No.
Some have vertebral column and other have no vertebral.
Don't.
Do they live in same habitat? No.
No.
According to their habits, they live in different habitats. Habitats is their house, right? The place where they
Yes.
live. Do all of them take same food?
No.
They take different foods, right? According to their
Yes.
taste. Do they all move in the same way? No.
No.
They move in different way. Now match your thoughts to the answers below. The animals which we see around us are not all alike. Their shape, structure, as well as other physiological activities are also different. Some have vertebral column and some do not have. Some of them live on land, some in water, and some on what? Trees. Their food is also of different
Kinds.
These animals move in different
Ways.
They use things like
Fins, legs, or wings.
some even use tiny hairs called
Cilia.
or
Other body parts.
but some animals do not move at all. They stay in
At all. One place.
one place. We do not have sufficient knowledge about the exact number of such diverse animals in the world. So far, about how many million
1.3 million.
species of animals have been discovered, right?
Yes.
1 million, এটা আমরা বাংলায় বলতে পারি 10 লাখ, তার মানে 1.3 million means 13 লক্ষ, right? প্রজাতি, species of animals have been discovered. এই পর্যন্ত বিজ্ঞানীরা আবিষ্কার করেছে, তাই না? বায়োলজিস্টরা।
Yes.
13 লক্ষেরও বেশি প্রজাতি, species প্রাণী আবিষ্কার হয়েছে। And the numbers are increasing day by day. এবং এর সংখ্যা আরো বাড়ছে। Classification is an easy way to know the structure and nature of such huge number of animals very easily, right? That's why it is important and it is necessary to know the classification of animal or living world, right?
Yes.
Okay. So, morphological characteristics of the animal, similarity and dissimilarity among them, and their interrelationship are the basis of classification, right?
Yes.
Okay, now I will show you something different. What does morphology mean?
I don't know, actually.
Okay, don't worry. Now, when you don't know the meaning of any word, you'll go to Oxford Dictionary, okay?
Dictionary. Oh my God, I forgot about it. I have a dictionary.
Yes. For example, I'm gonna show you here. Let me share something new with you. So now can you see Oxford Dictionary? Yeah.
Yeah, I can.
Now we will write morphology, right?
Yes.
Online. You can find the Oxford Dictionary online, okay? Now we have found it. Oxford Dictionary shows this is morphology, okay? There you
Okay.
can also find the pronunciation, British pronunciation.
Morphology. Morphology.
Morphology. An American one, the red one, okay?
Morphology.
Okay.
Morphology. So American pronounce R after the vowel, okay? But British doesn't
Okay.
pronounce R after the vowel. Morphology and morphology, right? American?
Morphology.
Morphology. And British?
Morphology.
Morphology, right? The form
Right.
and structure of animals and plants studied as a science, right? So, প্রাণী এবং বৃক্ষরাজির যে স্ট্রাকচার এবং আকৃতি সেগুলো স্টাডি করার যে তোমার বিজ্ঞান সেটাকেই বলা হয় মরফোলজি, ওকে? বুঝেছো? এটা বায়োলজিক্যাল একটা টার্ম, ঠিক আছে? The form and structure of
Okay.
animals and plants studied as science. Okay? Right. Very good. So this way you can easily find the definition of any word. Okay? Now go back to the text.
Okay.
So here is morphology, right? So morphological characteristics, that means their shape and structure, right? Of the animal, similarity and dissimilarity among them, and their interrelationship are the basis of classification, right? So depending on their characteristics, they are grouped into different taxons serially, right? So this stepwise grouping of the living world is known as classification, okay?
Okay.
With the growing need of time, taxonomy has become a separate branch of biology, right? So how taxonomy has become a separate branch of biology? With the growing need of time, right?
Yes.
You can note down the important line on your notebook, chapter number and page number, okay? Species is the lowest rank of the taxonomic unit, okay?
Okay.
For example, man, pigeon, toad, etc. are separate species, okay?
Okay.
To classify an animal, it is arranged step by considering its indigenous characteristics, okay? I mean, its old or ancient characteristics. Aristotle, John Ray, and Carolus Linnaeus are the notable names in the history of classification. So who are the notable names in the history of biological classification?
Aristotle, John Ray, and Carolus Linnaeus.
Spell the name Carolus Linnaeus.
Carolus Linnaeus.
C-A-R-O.
Carolus.
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 Linnaeus.
Linnaeus.
A-E-U-S, right? Linnaeus.
Yes.
Okay. So naturalist, who is naturalist? Carolus Linnaeus. And he is called the father of what?
Taxonomy.
Taxonomy. In the naming of animals, he introduced binomial nomenclature, right? And defined
Yes.
genus and species. Okay. So binomial nomenclature. So this term we will see, right? In detail. Hold on. Okay. So now see the binomial nomenclature.
Imagine conducting every part of your research only on one platform. Meet Oreo.
In this video, we're going
Oh,
to
you can.
cover binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature is the system where two names are given to name a species. The first name refers to the genus of the species. The second name refers to the specific species within that genus the species being named is.
Okay. So can you understand what is binomial nomenclature?
Yes.
So every species scientifically or biologically given two names. That is binomial. Bi means two, right? And nomin means
Yes.
name, right? And nomenclature is
Yes.
নামকরণ বুঝেছো?
Yes.
So first name is according to genus and the second name is according to the species. So every
Species.
living being in biology has two names, okay? One is genus name,
Okay.
the other is species name, okay?
Yes.
Very good.
If we take an example of the monarch butterfly, its genus name is Danaus, its species name is Plexippus. Its full
Okay. So butterflies genus name is Genus and its species name is Plexippus, right?
Platypus.
Yes.
binomial name is Danaus Plexippus. There are specific rules used in formatting binomial names. The first of these is that the genus name is always written first. In the monarch butterfly example, this means the genus name Danaus comes first. The species name Plexippus never comes before.
Okay, we don't need any more. That's enough. Right. Go back to our text. Right. Okay, let me check the science class now. Okay, the third period is 8:25, right? Only 4 minutes, okay. So, in the naming of animals, the introduced binomial nomenclature and defined genus and species, right? Specific name of an animal contains two parts. Specific name of an animal contains how many parts?
Two.
Two parts. First part indicates genus. Okay, already we watched on the video, right? First part
Yes.
indicates the first name, genus, and the second part or second name is indicates what?
Species.
Species name.
Species.
Very good, yeah. The process of such naming is called binomial. The process of such naming মানে এই ধরনের নামকরণ
Binomial.
প্রক্রিয়াকে কি বলা হয়?
Binomial.
Binomial or scientific name. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay, for example, Homo sapiens is the scientific name of human. That means we, us, okay? Humans,
Okay.
scientific name is Homo sapiens. So now scientific name must be in Latin or Latinized language or in English, okay?
Okay.
Now, you will find this, okay? what
Okay.
are the habitat of monkey and what are the structure of them and how useful are they and how harmful are they, okay? ইউজফুল হচ্ছে তার উপকারী দিকগুলো এখানে লিখবে সংক্ষেপে এক দুইটা ওয়ার্ডের মধ্যে, হ্যাঁ? আর যে কোনো একটা ক্ষতির
Okay.
দিক লিখবে, ঠিক আছে? তো এটা তোমাকে
Okay.
রিসার্চ করে বের করতে হবে যে এই প্রাণীর হ্যাবিটেট কি। এর তোমার তুমি আরো দুটো কলাম তৈরি করবা বাইনোমিনাল, তার জেনাস নেম কি, তার স্পেসিস নেম কি, ওকে, মাঙ্কির,
Okay.
এবং হিউম্যানও অ্যাড করবা, ঠিক আছে?
Okay.
ঠিক আছে, ফর এক্সাম্পল মাঙ্কি, তাই না?
হ্যাঁ।
সো সকল মাঙ্কির জেনাস হচ্ছে, এটা ম্যানি গ্রুপ, সিমি infraorder simiforms with different genre such as macaca, simia and tarsiers. The scientific name of the monkey is Sarcopithecida. Monkeys are classified as Simiformus, Catarini and Simiformus Platyrini. Okay. So আমরা এখন বইতে এখানে দেখবো আমাদের ক্লাসিফিকেশন গুলো।
Wait.
Okay, hold on. Chordata. Okay, so which phylum monkey falls into? Under the phylum Chordata. Okay, so you have to find out and research, okay, with these four animals and also human: monkey, earthworm, mussel, bird, and fish. Okay, so monkey falls under the category of Chordata, this last one. Okay,
Okay.
right? That I actually researched
Yes.
and found out. And same way you have to research, okay, and find out in which
Yes.
classification it fall into, what is habitat and what is structure, okay?
Okay.
Right. For example, I will show you how to research, okay? Habitat
No,
structure.
sir. I can. I can.
Don't worry. We just practice together, okay?
Isn't the class time over for science?
Yeah, I think so. Hold on for a few seconds. Right, here you can see the screen.
Yes. I can.
What are like habitat structure, usefulness, and harmfulness of monkeys. Okay, let us see what we find here. Monkeys are highly adaptable, intelligent primates that play a key role in ecosystem health, right? So this is its what? Usefulness, okay? Ecosystem health, primarily found in tropical forests, okay? So its habitat is tropical forest. And you can also name some.
So you can see the explanation below. Show more.
Yeah, sure. Mostly found in warm tropical rainforest, savanna, woodlands, and sometimes temperate forests in Central South America, Africa, and Asia. They are primarily arboreal, living in trees, okay?
Okay.
Their habitat is trees, okay? Tropical rainforest trees. But many species are semi-terrestrial, that means spending time on the ground. And what is their structure? They thrive in environments with dense canopy cover, high tree density, and available water sources. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, then the rest of the thing you don't need. Now find out the usefulness. Ecosystem engineers, biodiversity support, scientific research. You don't need to write this. You just pick one, okay? One usefulness and one harmfulness, okay? You don't need to write all, okay? Like one usefulness is biodiversity support, okay? Or support biodiversity, that's it. And what is harmfulness? Crop raiding, okay? Monkeys living near human settlements often raid agricultural fields, causing economic loss, okay? So that is harm.
Okay.
Conflict and safety risks. Disease transmission, this is another harmfulness, okay? They transmit disease. They can act as vectors for diseases, particularly when in close contact with humans, okay? So this way you can research and find out their habitat structure and okay.
Okay.
Right, so now we're gonna give some, okay, write down your homework.